Here's something I'm going to talk about today only because we as realtors in this area, and we are well versed in new construction, have been getting calls and questions about this. The Minnesota Department of Labor and Industry recently revoked the residential building contractor license of Sharkey Design Build, operating as GreenHalo Builds. Furthermore, the individual qualifying builder registration of John Sharkey and the proprietor of the business was also revoked. Renowned for its energy-efficient architectural designs, GreenHalo Builds had undertaken a project to transform a horse farm in Baytown Township, which is just south of us and our office, through its innovative home designs. Unfortunately, reports from homeowners surfaced, alleging incomplete work and unpaid subcontractors. Subsequently, the State Department of Labor and Industry initiated an investigation into GreenHalo and John Sharkey, prompting concerns raised by homeowners and a building official. The investigation concluded that GreenHalo lacked the capacity to complete ongoing construction projects. In subsequent development, GreenHalo's legal representation confirmed the company's cessation of operations. Consequently, the implications for the Baytown Township project are significant. All work on the project, including the envisioned 46-home development on the horse farm, has been suspended. Proprietors of the horse farm had previously petitioned for the annexation of 26 acres of land for the development. This week, the city has requested the petition be withdrawn, and most expenses incurred thus far have been mitigated due to the city's prudent escrow collection. In response to the situation, Sharkey's attorney attributed the downturn to elevated interest rates, which adversely impacted new construction projects, thereby affecting GreenHalo's financial viability. Rather than opting for bankruptcy, Sharkey has chosen to execute confessions of judgment, a legal mechanism enabling homeowners to seek redress through state court judgments for perceived damages. Affected homeowners can subsequently apply for reimbursement through the Contractor Recovery Fund, which extends up to $75,000 per homeowner. By waiving his right to a hearing, Sharkey accepted a $20,000 fine, indicating a commitment to using available funds to aid affected homeowners in their claims. While unforeseen circumstances are a part of life, please know that Truen Group stands as a reliable source for connecting you with builders and contractors with comprehensive network encompassing various professionals in the field. We have cultivated strong relationships with many local entities. Our team is well versed in collaborating with a range of builders and contractors, ensuring that your projects are in capable hands. Please reach out when you need a recommendation.